Hello, this is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing the Ultimate Ears Blast portable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth speaker. Comes with Amazon Alexa. Give you some details here real quick. You can pause the video anytime. Check it out. See different details. Can last up to 12 hours. And it's IP67, so it's definitely waterproof. So we'll get into the unboxing itself. The box right here. We like the design of the box. It's a very sturdy box. Here's the speaker itself. It's nicely placed inside. You can feel that it's weighty. Here's your volume up and down. Here's your on button right here. Go ahead and turn it on. So there's the on button. It's got 360-degree audio. And on the base, if you unscrew this part right here, the charging adapter is built into the base. There's the micro USB port right there. You can see that. So when you have this closed with that ring, it's the IP67. So we'll set that down. Go further inside the box here. You have some documentation. You have the charging cord. So it's a nice flat pack micro USB charging cord. Then you have the charging adapter. This is unusual that they give you a charging adapter, but we like that they do. And as you can see, they have apps for your Apple phone, iPhone, and Android device. So this is the Ultimate Ears Blast. They have different models, different sizes, and ones that last for a really long time. But this one is waterproof, IP67, and lasts up to 12 hours with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So this is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter and Instagram, and this is the Blast speaker from Ultimate Ears.